Greetings, my friends. It is January 29th, year 2010. You're in Tulsa, Oklahoma during our second snowstorm of the year. It started last night as ice storm, and now it's turned into a lovely snow event. It's very lovely. There's the gas light. Well, ain't a gas light no more. Yeah, you can see the people driving. There's people over there. If you can see, they're shoveling at the liquor store. Anyway, I just thought I would share that with you. I think it's very pretty. I love snow. I mean, I do like snow, but I like it whenever it snows one day and it's gone by that night. Anyway, I'm Daniel, and again, this is 1/29 of 2010. Thanks for enjoying.